So hi everybody, a very good afternoon. How you doing? I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I Am Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. I'm the founder and the CEO, the ideas person, the concepts person, and the brainwave and the brainchild behind all the products that you see on social media. And when we meet, or if you've kind of purchased those from us or had them delivered to you, or you've ordered them for your homes or offices or whatever. And my read is about play in life, so there are these concepts like work-life balance and stuff, work hard, party hard. So similarly in design and in retail, they have a concept called the floor play. So if you were to go to an office, if you were to kind of go to a co-working, if you kind of go to a branding or an advertising agency, if you're going to be, let's say, in a multi-storied building which has lots of offices, or a classy, luxurious, space, there's always a provision for play. Co-working has these concepts. Most of the top 10 Fortune companies also have these concepts where they kind of have work and play concepts and stuff. So I'm inspired from those, and sometimes when I go to the club, I see people playing billiards and stuff. And you have all these advertising and branding agencies which I've been visiting over the years and stuff. So I see that they have certain floors which have all these gaming facilities. So I'm inspired from that, from a design point of view, that how is it that you can get play as a component in your daily life, at your homes or your walls or your offices and spaces like that. So you see behind me, you see that, okay, so these are called, in India they're called chicks. They're actually those hanging, I mean, they're made out of material which is fabric, and they're basically kind of hanging in there to have a better air circulation, to kind of have the AC more effective, and also kind of cover up the area behind me and stuff. And from this, I'm inspired to share a concept on play. So when you have walls in your houses, or you have homes in your offices, a lot of people prefer paintings, a lot of people prefer mirrors, a lot of people prefer arts and stuff. So they like to have these kind of items which are kind of traditional or conventional and stuff. And some of them like to put up these beautiful curios, or they have these huge displays of pieces on their walls and stuff. So how can you do something on a material like this? Probably is something which I'm sharing here. So I'm inspired from this. It gives me an idea of a floor play concept. So if you have, let's say you have an apartment like this one where I am right now, or you have a floor of yours, what could you do? So you could consider using rugs, or you could use fabric like this on the walls, and you can have some very interesting themes in places of curtains and stuff, where a lot of people I meet, especially youngsters I've met recently, working in professional organizations and who are living alone, have this thing about not being able to take care of curtains and stuff. So it's a great idea to kind of look into alternate fabrics or materials like these. So you have them hung, you have them at display. You can have amazing concepts and themes around those. They can be vertical strips, they can be floral, they can be animated ones. They can have themes of probably wildlife. You can have nature, you can have something in Europe which they have. You can have probably figures, you can have art if you are very fond of, let's say, Rajasthan, if you like let's say South Africa, let's say you like cricket, let's say you like cars. So whatever themes you have, you can have these kind of printed on those, or block printed or whatever, and you can have a very beautiful or an extremely classy display here. So I've chosen a plain one here because we already have a lot of interesting stuff and quality stuff around the room and the space and stuff, and having anything on the wall would have just meant kind of probably a better view. But then contradicting that would have contradicting that thought, I preferred plain, because plain kind of gives the room a little bigger kind of approach and a look and appeal and stuff, you know. So that's that. So let me share a few thoughts I've written down here. So there are these elements of play which can be included. You can have childhood memories. So probably you can have a rug, or probably you can have drapes, or you can have probably something of fabric which is hand knotted, which has got, or probably a bamboo or wood look or whatever. And you can have your own theme running in. Let's say if you have a legacy, or you have if you prefer let's say vintage cars, you can have probably vintage car concepts on those. If you like cigars, you can have cigars. If you like whiskey, you can have whiskey. So I met this very interesting person who's got a beautiful house, I believe, in Gurgaon, and he's got the largest collection of bottles. So there are a lot of interesting things to do. Let's say somebody like typewriters, you can have typewriters. If you're a fan of computers and you want to be in the office and stuff, and you don't want to kind of do a wallpaper, then you can have probably these these kind of materials hanging on your walls and stuff. They're easy to maintain. All it takes, at least for this one, is probably a hairbrush kind of a thing to clean it off maybe once a year or whatever, you know. So these are these easy things to do, because they can add a lot of joy and a lot of design quotient to your spaces. They're not very expensive.